So this is what the end product will look like when it's finished. And I've made multiple sizes. I've done some that are big that you could put in a hoodie or a pair of shoes. I've got some small ones here that you could put toiletries or other small items. And if you are a sewer, we're gonna go and make this right now. If you're not a sewer, these products are available at thefriendlyfox.co. Let's go make a bag. So we were at the fabric store today picking up some fabric for a different project. And the lady standing next to me was having fabric cut to make Christmas bags. And I've never thought about doing that before, and I thought, what a great idea. So I bought some Christmas fabric and I bought some lovely Christmas ribbon, and I'm going to make some cloth reusable Christmas bags so that forever I will always have Christmas bags and ones that I can recycle. The lady that was standing next to me was replacing some that she had been making them for 20 years. And some of them are starting to show their age. So she was just buying a couple of yards of fabric to replace some. But she's been doing cloth bags under her Christmas tree for over 20 years. I was very, very impressed. So I got some Christmas fabric here. And if you know me, you know that I have a collection of fabrics already, so it's not going to be tough for me to find some more Christmas fabric to make more bags. So very simple and easy. I'm going to use this as my size template, leaving a little bit on each side for some sewing edges. Just going to cut to the size that I want. This will give me 2 bags of that small size. That's it. Now we're going to go over to the sewing machine. Sides together so that when the stitching goes on and I turn the bag inside out, the stitching will be hidden. So right sides together. And I always reverse to lock the stitching in. And I'm going to make a little gusset under here so that the bag stands up. And in order to do that, we're going to make the channel where the ribbon will sit as the drawstring for the bag. So you can do this from the inside or you can do it this way. We're going to turn this under here, and I'm going to do a row of stitching all the way around the inside of the bag. And now you could just put the safety pin in here and put the ribbon through and it would make a nice drawstring. But if you'd like to have a bag with a ruffle on the top, you're going to put a second row of stitching. And I would put it about a ½ inch from this row of stitching here. And again, I'm going to put a little back stitch right here. And now you've got a channel right here. I don't know if you can see it on this side. You've got a channel right here where you'll now take your safety pin and thread the ribbon through here to create your drawstring. So now we'll take the ribbon And I've cut this ribbon twice the length of the opening plus a little bit more. So and you take the safety pin and where you've left your opening, just feed it through, work the safety pin through. And once you've made it all the way around to the other side, pull it through, take your safety pin off, clean up all these little threads, and you're ready. I'm just going to trim this little part off so that it just makes it a little less bulky inside the bag. Turn it inside out, and voila, I have a Christmas bag that I'll be able to use for years and years.